We are reviewing this platform, and this platform is something that I personally have tried it. Okay, you are going to see right on the screen what I got when I was actively building on this platform. So I'm going to review it and then give you my final verdict based on my personal experience. Okay, now all you need to do is just afterwards you can decide if you want to check this. By the way, this is completely free, and I am not giving you any guarantees. I'm not promising you anything. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's not something that you're going to earn money overnight or get rich quick overnight. No, it's something that you have to work. As you can see, some of these things are something that you have to do work, and then before you can earn with it. Okay, so don't take my word for it until you do your due diligence. Now, I'm going to again show you that I have personally used this platform free of charge, doing simple surveys, answering simple questions, playing simple games, and this is my result here. You're going to see my result right there. But of course, I have already withdrawn that money. If I go down here to my balance, you're going to see that my balance is now 0.02, that have 26 cents. That's because I have already withdrawn the money I have. Okay, so the name of this platform, it's Ysense. A lot of you say that it doesn't give you enough survey, and that's because you don't know one secret, which I'm going to show you in this video. There is one secret that you can apply that you can have more surveys if survey is important to you. Now, if you click on here, you're going to see a place that says survey. Now you're going to see complete surveys, you're going to see history. So let's click on complete survey. Now it's going to bring you down to different surveys that they have. Okay, please make sure that you read these things carefully. Okay, all of these things are very important. Remember that I am not giving you any guarantees. This is just my personal experience I'm sharing with this platform. Now this particular survey, it's going to be about 5 minutes, and it's paying this amount of money. By the way, the name of this platform is Ysense. Let me just quickly let it out. It's Ysense. A lot of you have tried it. I don't know if a lot of you have tried it actually, but personally I have tried it and it worked for me. I don't know if it's going to work for you. You might also want to do your due diligence, then you can check it out. Now, you register with your email address, okay, your email address is a password, and then after that you come down to your this thing. Then you're going to see your name here. Click on the drop down, you see your balance, you see your account balance and everything. Now, where I earn more money mostly is by sharing with other people. This affiliate program, that's where I earn more money for myself, because I am this kind of person that I love to share what is working with people so that they too can try it and see if it's going to work for them. And so this is what Ysense claims, that if you decide to share, that they will pay you this amount. You get 10% recurring commission on what your friends make. Okay, you're gonna see that here. Than what your friends. So if your friends earn $100 is every month. You are earning it every month. You're earning $10 for that every month. If that's the $100 is weekly, you are earning $10 weekly. That is what they claim. Like I said, no guarantees, no promises. Just sharing with you what I know, and this is for education purposes. Now, you're going to see this here, commission, sign of commissions, and the rest. You will see all that. So all you need to do is just copy this link here, copy and then share with your friends and families online on WhatsApp. Now, like I said, I'm going to give you a secret that will help you get more opportunities to earn money on this platform. One opportunity, one secret that I have used in my previous account. Now, you're going to see a place that says offers. You will see Ysense offers, review, tutorials, just like that. Okay. Now, all you need to do is just open any of them that you want, and then you can be able to see the offers. So if I click on this Ysense offers, you will see the offers on that particular page, which you can go and claim. By the way, if you are interested in anything that has to do with Make Money Online updates, join us on Telegram. Okay, join the Telegram link is going to be in the comment section. The comment that is made by J Tactics, and then also subscribe to the channel and turn your notification to all. Now let's go back here. So let's assume I want to do this particular survey. I'll just tap on it, and once I tap on it, it's going to open up. Once it opens up, then I start the survey by completing all the important questions. You're going to see all the important questions here by completing it, and then I continue. Once I continue, it starts counting for me, and then once I'm done, you're going to see this bar here. Okay, that's showing green here, it will start reading. You're going to see that it will start reading until it gets down to the last. Now, if I come back here, you are going to see different other surveys. So if I complete this survey and I'm right, they will open up this one. They will open up this one. They will open up this one. Now, let me give you the secret I said I used in my first account. The secret is to use a VPN. If you're in Nigeria, install a VPN and then log in. Anytime you're logging into your Ysense account, use a VPN, like open a VPN first and then select any of the tier 1 countries and then select there. That way you'll be able to have more surveys to fill out. And of course, that means more money to make. If you are, because most people in Africa, they don't give them a lot of surveys, a lot, they don't give them. But if you're outside Africa, you stand a chance of getting more surveys. So one of the secrets which I used that made me that $74 is by using a VPN. Okay, so you can check it out and see if it works out for you. Now let me show you the process here. If you click on more, you would see okay, not more. If you see cash out now, for those of you who are asking how do I withdraw, PayPal is not allowed in Nigeria. This platform Ysense, they have a lot of withdrawal methods. A lot apart from PayPal, you can use Skrill, you can use Payoneer as well. You can also use gift cards. Okay, there are a lot of other payment options that are available here. I don't know why this is not opening. My network is kind of very slow. So but they have a lot of payment options for those of you who would like to research it and then try. You will see Amazon gift cards. You will see okay, let's see these other ones. You will see these ones here. You will see all of this here. So you can just choose any one of your choice, and then get your money out from the platform in case you have earned. But like I said again and again, this video is only for education purposes. It's not an investment advice. So therefore, do your due diligence first. But from my experience and what I've gathered, Ysense is real and then it's legit. That means if you actually work hard, you can earn something on Ysense and you can be able to withdraw it from my experience. Okay, guys. So I just wanted to share with you that this platform Ysense, I've actually tried it and I made money from it. You might also want to try it, but before that, make more research about it. Then you can give it a try. Okay, guys. I will see you in the next one.